Hi everyone, welcome to Ohun Ede Yoruba TV.
Two syllable under the sound, the voice sounds, the voice sounds. Now, I want to start from do now. Do, re. I've told you no signs mean to go like this. Every time we'll be referring to consonants, vowel and syllable the other time. Every time we are teaching, we are going for it. So now, this one is do. I want to start from do. Do. You can see that do, syllable, two syllable. Do. We also have the plantain that we are making to make snacks. Do. What is do? We want to put a sign. Do. You can see that this one is consonants, while this one is vowel. This one is consonants, this one is also vowel. Do. Now, I want you to say it inside. Do. Do. This is the sign. You now put the sign like this. Do. To make it correctly, when you are reading Yoruba, do. You know, without putting any sign, I can say dodo, I can say dodo, I can say dodo, because there is no any sign on it. That is why Yoruba reading or writing is different from English. It's because it will have meaning when you are reading with signs. So now I've told you this one is re. We have an examples. Let's finish with this one. This is number 1. Number 2. I have epa, pa. We are epa. Epa. What is epa? Groundnuts. Epa. This is epa. We are pa. Epa is 2 syllable, which is Oro Onisilebu Meji. Epa. Do. Epa. Do. Call it inside. Out. Epa. Epa. Do. This is dodo, the one we are making out of plantain for a snacks. Do. You can see that this is 2 syllable. 1 do. This is consonants. This is vowel. This is consonants. This is vowel. Do. And this is the sign. Do. Do. Epa. Do. Epa. Do. Now I want you to try eba. What is eba? Is the one we are making out of gari, the cassava one, the cassava powder. The one we are making is eba. Call it eba. Call it inside. For your mouth very well. Eba. Do. Eba. Now we are going for re now, the middle voice. Re. No sign. You cannot say any sign. Any Yoruba that you see that any letter or words in Yoruba that you see that there's no sounds there, any sign, it means that is re. Look at this Yoruba now. Yo, re. You are still getting to the place. Yo, ru. Ba, re, do, mi. Yo. If you could remember, I said ya, ye, ye, yi, yo, yo, you. This is yo. It has no sign. Yo, re, yo, re. So this is it now. Once you make it now. Now, for example, I can say omi. Omi. How many syllables? O, me, which is 2. O, me. Water. What is omi in Yoruba? Is water. 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 So omi. What is it? Yo? Re, re. Re, re. Omi. No signs. Omi. Call it omi. Inside. You know, I didn't say omi. It's different. It's different. Omi. Omi. Water. Omi. 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 Then we have epo. Let's epo. What is epo? Oil. 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 Epo. Epo is a. You could remember I say a, e, o, o, u. We still refer to it. A, e, o, o, u. This is a, e, epo. No sign. You can see no sign. Epo, a, e. Epo. Now, epo. Call it epo. Inside. Re, re. Epo. Epo. 2 syllables. Epo. 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 So now we are going for the third one. You know, I told you that it is 3. And the sound are 3s. 3 types. Now, me, I said is greater than your left hand. Greater than, that is the sound. Sign. Greater than. Now, let's see. I can say, I've told you the other time, me. Mo lè ní T. I can say T is one of the articles. T in Yoruba is one of the articles in Yoruba. Article A, article D. So this is also article in Yoruba also. So me, T. So robo, I can say robo is one of snacks. One of the snacks in Yoruba. Robo, they make up with kuli granuts. Is one of the snacks. Robo, me, robo. You call it. If you want to know Yoruba very well, you call it syllable by syllable. Bo. This is consonants. This is vowel. This is consonants. This is vowel. Bo. Sorry. Bo. Okay. Me no. So me. You can see now. Bo. Me. Call it inside. Now we also have another one. I can say papa. What is the meaning of papa? The papa is field. the field that is very big area. So pa, the spread place. Pa, how many syllable? 2 syllable. Pa. Me, call it in. Pa. You can see. Papa, you remember that I've told you that no consonants that will carry any sound except that letter N, and when we get to the place I will still refer to it. So pa, you call it pa, not P, not papa. P. I've told you the other time. P. Pa is a field. So we still go further. For more examples.